So I'm going to have all the windows on the south side of this house replaced. And it'd be these two here in this back room, and then the one in the den. And what I need to do before they come out and do the install, which will be several months from now, I need to get this quarter round off. So here's got a little quarter round on the four sides of the window. And let's see if I can get this first one off here. All right, let's try this first guy here. Yeah. I'll just clear the varnish off here. Oops. There. So I get a gap going in there. Yeah. Got it. A little separation there, so I need to get it going. So I got this first quarter round piece off. I did break off a piece at the very end. If I have to replace it with new ones, that's no big deal. I'll just have to get reasonably close to the stain of this guy. So I removed a second quarter round trim on the windows, and it broke again on the end. So I'm not going to be able to salvage these. I'm just going to rip those guys off and replace them. The wood is just too old and get near the end that it's going to break. And also these nails, they use the nails with the, it's got a serrated edge, you can't see it there. So it has a really strong grip. So I'm just going to tear those things out of there and replace them. Yeah. So I got all the trim off on the quarter round trim on these windows, and here you can see some termite damage on this one side trim there. So given that, what I'm going to patch it up with Bondo. I'm going to paint these windows, the window trim. I'm not going to try and stain them or anything.